the stall gas tank out. I ordered a new aftermarket and finished it. Ran the line and everything with a petcock. Welded a little bracket from a solo seat so I can mount the gas tank. And I'm just gonna try to finish all the fabrication on this bike. And after that, I'm just gonna strip it down, get it painted. I'm also upgrading the front end with a front suspension shocks. And I was able to fix the braking system. I put more washers in there, spaced it out, get it closer to the rotor because it wasn't gripping. But the brakes are good. And then I'm just waiting for some new grips too for the handlebars. Take these old ones out. This is from a bicycle, and this is a NIMBY one I had before from one of my other bikes. I'm running a thumb throttle because this is just gonna be a little cruiser. But I'll keep you guys updated. I'll see you guys in the next one.